That one looks like maybe a leak from here. This part was wet and the handle was wet. Now it's not wet further back, but I did see a little bit of a line here when I took off the escutcheon, so just wanted to show you checking this. Oop. So did it untwist there. What we want to know is the cartridge leaking. So we'll know pretty soon just by checking it, right? Oh yeah, cartridge is leaking. So that was the right call there. All right, we'll turn this off and go grab a cartridge. Change this out. Yeah, definitely that cartridge. Changing out the handles and escutcheons, so glad to find this now. Perfect. It's on the hot side, on the left side. Change it out, no big deal. Okay, got the hot side turned off, but definitely want to verify that it's off, and it is. It's great. So, got my ratchet here, and a deep socket is what works really good, and this is a 3/4 inch deep socket, which is perfect for these. Do this really quickly, get the water back on. Sometimes you can slip a little piece of paper in there or something so that leaks so much inside there. So pretty quickly, this one I've got the air conditioner on behind it. That's where the air handler is. It's bringing air right across there. So that's good. Now, make sure we're not cross-setted. There we go. These have a little washer on the front. Different than sometimes the original ones. Here's the original. Well, maybe not the original, but this is one that failed, the one that was leaking. So now I'm going to open the water, close the door, and I'm going to turn my water back on. Okay, got the hot water turned back on. There we go. No leaking inside here. It's good. Got that fixed. No dripping on the shower head. And now we've got the trim piece here. Just give a little tiny quarter turn past there. That way it doesn't come loose on anybody. I'll fix that there. And now we've got some new escutcheons and new handles. Make everything nice and new. Look at that. These just screw on and thread on, and then these are handles. No big deal. Show all that in other videos, but that's how you can, things to look for, signs to look for that you might have a leak and how to check it, and how to change the cartridge. On this particular style cartridge, there's a lot of different styles of cartridges, but that's one of them. This is the compression style. Okay, got the escutcheons twisted on, handles put on. This is the Phillips screws inside, tighten those up. Now is the index buttons. I get them nice and straight. Hot on the left, cold on the right. There we go, that's the done deal. Now what actually happened here? Seems that this seemed to be leaking internally. Sometimes you can fix these, probably not really worth it. Got a $3 to $5 cartridge, but you can, if you needed to, you can check if there was any rocks in it. You can actually push out the inner portion, just like that. And sometimes you can lubricate the deals here. You can make sure there's no rock in the bottom. You could pick it out if it was there, and you can lubricate these side deals. This one seemed to be, again, let in water past the top, so it's possibly maybe a bad O-ring here, or just some lubrication on the O-ring, and then you could put it back together. It can be done, but again, at $3 to $5, probably not really worth it. Just turn this and insert it, and there we go. and could have fixed it, you know, but generally it's not worth it. Yeah. Changing the cartridge, and that's what to look for. Now just a little bit of cleanup. Nice new cartridge, nice new shower head, shower neck trim, nice new scoochings, nice new stuff.